How to deposit money in QU MATIX. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to deposit money into your QU MATIX account for the first time, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open QU MATIX app on your device and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged into the home page or the platform page of QU MATIX, go ahead and look for the deposit button at the top right. But yes, in order to deposit money in your QU MATIX account, you'll need to verify your account first. If you've not verified yourself, go ahead and complete that first, and once you've done it, click on the deposit button at the top right corner. Now select a payment method on the next page. QU MATIX offers different payment options depending on your region, such as bank cards, e-wallets, crypto, etc. Go ahead and choose the payment method you'd like to use and follow through the instructions. Go ahead and enter the details according to the payment method that you've selected, and once you have the correct info, the amount will be deposited into your account. Deposits are processed quickly, but some methods can take a little longer. Once completed, your balance should appear in your QU MATIX wallet or trading account. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.